Okay, who's excited for unboxing? Me! Hello everyone, it's Maureen, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Casery cases for iPhone XS Max. I have been looking at their Instagram profile and their website also, which is attached on their Instagram. There's no information about this company, but on Instagram it says that they are made in LA. The surprise is I'm gonna give away 2 cases for you guys. If you win, you can go to their website and check the cases in there, whatever iPhones you have. Let me check if they have other phones. No, it's just for iPhone. So whatever iPhone you have, if you win, you can get 1 case. Their cases cost like $32, so it's really awesome to win. So if you're watching right now and you're in a hurry to win, so you can go in the description box. I'm going to put the link in there so that you can join. I think we're just gonna do the same thing that we did the first time I did a giveaway. Good luck to you guys. If you guys haven't watched my last video, which is the unboxing and the color comparison of this case, you can check that video right up here. I hope it'll be helpful for you guys. Without further ado, here is unboxing and my first impression on the Casery cases for iPhone XS Max. So here is the package. It is from Casery in Los Angeles, California. Okay, there's 2 cases in here and I see pink. OMG. Okay, there's a receipt. It's both for iPhone XS Max. Also, these cases are drop test certified, but I'm gonna tell you guys later about the information. They have like a theme. It says protect the one you love. It's kind of nice. I don't know which one I'm gonna start, but I think we're going to start with this case right here. So the first one that I'm gonna show you guys is this case, the lips. So I looked at their website and I don't think they have the lips anymore, so I'm so lucky that I got the last one maybe. And the way they package this cases, it's like a sliding box. So you can slide it like that. It's so fancy. And look at what they wrote in here. You obviously have good taste. And look at that pink or fuchsia pink color interior. And the other side in here, it says protect the one you love. Yeah, it's so adorable. We are going to, ooh, it feels kind of different. Like I can feel the lips when I'm touching it. Okay, so I was struggling with taking off the paper in there inside, and I just realized there's a friggin' hole in here, so you can just like push that and we're done. The struggle is real when you're stupid. So here is the case and we are gonna put it on our phone. We'll see how it looks like. There's a friggin' hair. Oh, let me see first. The inside, it's not slippery, it's not rough, but it's in the middle. Let's try put it on our phone. Oh my god. That's the case. My phone color is showing. Casery. Ooh, I like the name in there. You guys, if you win, get this. It's so pretty. Guys, if they still have this. Luscious lips right there. So here's my new favorite. Oh my god. I would recommend to put some pop socket in there so that you can have your phone safe from drops, even if they have tested this. Cute. I love the lips, luscious lips. I love the transparent sides. It makes the screen more bigger. And if you can see, there's so much curve in here. But this is like straight and then curved a little bit. Okay, I feel like I don't want to move to another case anymore, but we will try the next case. And this is the banana leaf, unbox it. All their packaging have, you obviously have a good taste. If you love pink, this is the packaging for you. Okay, easy. I can feel it. So cool. So we will try it on our phone. Okay. Love! Screaming for summer. The Casery brand in there. You can see the sides of my phone. The bottom is also transparent. And then we will try with the volume. Let me play something in here. My favorite song is It's Not You. Volume super soft, guys, and volume down. To compare it with the spec case, I haven't been using the spec case so much these days because I have trouble with the sides because it's super stiff, and this one, the sides are not. It is made differently right there. You can see that. But the back, it's kind of a hard case, and it's easy to take it off. See? And that's a plus. I like that because sometimes if you have nails, it's hard to like take off cases. So these are the cases. I love them. It's transparent and they have designs at the back which feels like it's real. Like it seems like it's a sticker, but it's not. It's printed in there. My new love brand. With this packaging, who's not gonna buy this? This is so pretty. I love it. They said that the cases are a slim fit, which I agree. It's super slim. Look at that. And then second, they have a drop test on this one. I'm gonna include the video somewhere around here so that you guys can see the drop test. It is anti-scratch. You know what? I want to try it. It is anti-scratch, so I agree. Again, this is designed in LA. Like I said, it means it's made in the US because it's in LA. They have a Casery 1-year limited warranty. So if you have problems with this case, you can return it or contact them on their website or maybe on Instagram. It says right here, Casery 1-year limited warranty. Visit thecasery.com. I'm going to use the lips because I love it. Well, you know what? I don't know. I want to use both of these. It's pretty, it's cute, and it's ready for the springtime and the summertime. So yeah, you're gonna see me use this a lot. So we are done with our unboxing and my first impression on the Casery iPhone cases. We're moving forward to the giveaway. I'm going to put the informations down in the description box. There are 2 lucky subscribers that's gonna win these cases, or there's more cases on their website, so you can choose whatever you want. Yeah, I hope I can give you more winners, but this is sponsored by Casery, so there's just 2 people that's gonna win this, so good luck. Yeah, you will see all the information down in the description box. I guess that's it for this video. We will have another video coming up, so watch out for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're gonna join this giveaway, and thank you so much Casery for sponsoring this. And the winners, Congratulations in advance. And if you are not going to win on this giveaway, you can also get their cases on their website. If you buy 2, you can get 25% off. Phones that they carry is for iPhone 10, 10s, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, 6s, 6 Plus, 7, 6s, 6, XS Max, and XR. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!